Well, hey everybody, I just wanted to make this short video just to let you know that Thrive Life has just announced a St. Patrick's Day sale this weekend. Now there are 4 items on sale: the zucchini, the apricots, the kale, and the green bell peppers. And each one of these are 35% off if you buy 1 can and 40% off if you buy a case. How cool is that? This is a great time to stock up on these items. You're never going to get a better price than this, so take advantage of it. Now, if you don't know what Thrive Life is, Thrive Life freeze-dried food, you can watch our playlist right here where we show how easy it is to cook with. And of course, the cheapest way to buy it is to join the delivery service, because when you do that and you order over $99, then you're going to get free shipping. So you can get these great sale prices and get free shipping as well. And the delivery service is completely customizable, doesn't cost anything to join, and you can cancel at any time.